Hi guys, welcome to Code Bashers. Today's question is sum of root to leaf binary numbers. In this question, we are given a binary tree. Each node has value 0 or 1. Each root to leaf path represents a binary number starting with the most significant bit. For example, if the path is this, then this could be represented as the binary form in this form, and its decimal form is 13. This binary form can be represented as 13 in decimal form. So what we have to do in the question, we have to find all these paths from root to leaf in the binary form, then convert them into their decimal form and add the result. Like we will see an example. This is the tree. It is a binary tree, and all the paths from root to leaf are 100, 101, 110, 111. So there are total 4 binary paths from root to leaf. What we will do, we have find out all the paths in binary form. We will convert them into their equivalent decimal form. Like 100 is represented as 4, 101 is represented as 5, 110 is represented as 6. Now we will add all these decimal numbers and we will return the results. So now let's look how to approach this question. The approach of this question is very simple. We will traverse through whole tree and find out all the paths in binary form. Find out all the paths in binary form and convert them, and at every leaf node we will convert the path so formed into their decimal form, and we will add it in a sum. So how we will form our binary path? We will take a string variable, and when we are at a particular node, we will append this value in our string. Like our string is started from null. Now we are at root node, we will append 1 to our string. Now we have moved to this node. Now we will append this value to our string, that now our string becomes 10, and now we have moved to our leaf node, and again we will append this value to our string, and now our string becomes 100. Now our binary form is 100. Now we will write a function which will convert this binary string into its equivalent decimal number, and we will store it in a different variable. Now let's look at the code, how we will proceed this code. So now first I will declare a string variable s, which will be initialized from empty string, because in this is the variable in which we will add our binary numbers. Now I will declare int sum, which will store our final sum. Now we will call a function. It is a helper function which will traverse through all the tree and give us binary numbers from root to leaf. We will pass root to this function, string and sum. Now we will write the definition of this function. Int helper tree node star root string s and int sum. This sum variable will be passed as reference because its value will keep on changing throughout the course of this recursion. Now we will write the base case. If root double equivalent to null, we will return. Actually this function is void, not int. Void. Now what if we have reached our leaf node? If roots left double equivalent to null and roots right is double equivalent to null, what we will do? Now we are at our leaf node. We are at this leaf node. Now we will first append this value in our string variable. Now this value is in integer, so first we have to convert it into string and append this corresponding string value to our main string. Now in string variable our path 100 is stored, but in the form of string. Now we will call a binary function which will convert this string into its equivalent binary. Int b. Now we will call a binary function and we will pass s in that. Now the decimal number which is obtained, we will add it in our sum variable. Now we will return from here. The binary number which has been decimal number which has been returned, we will add it in our sum variable. It will contain our final sum. Now these two cases were base cases. Now what happens when our tree traversal is in middle of the position, like here 1 or 0 or 1. So in this case, first we will append these values to our string. Now what we will do, we will first call recursion helper, first on left side, and now we have to pass the variable, but the string we will passing will contain, like we are on this node and we are calling recursion, so we have to add this zeros value also to the string. So what we will do, we will do s plus toString root val, and we will pass our sum variable as well. Now we will call recursion call to right side, s plus. Similarly in this case also we will append the value. Now in this case also we will append the value of that particular node, and we will pass our sum variable also. Now this function's work is over. Now we have to write one function also, which is binary, which will convert a string into binary form. Its return type will be integer, name is binary. We will pass string through it. In this function is simply doing a binary conversion to our decimal conversion. So int answer equal to 0, it will store our answer. Int power equal to 1, we will iterate. Now in the question it is given that the value which is at the root node is the most significant, means the 1 lies here at the last. So what we will have to do, we will have to iterate our string from backwards. Int I is equal to s dot length minus 1, I greater than equal to 0, I plus I minus minus. Now at every position we have to add our answer into answer variable, that is s of I minus 0. This will convert our character which was initially 1 minus character 0 will give us 1 only. Now into power is initially 1. Now at every step power will be raised to 2. Now we will return our answer. This function is simply converting a string into decimal, a binary string into its decimal form, and this void helper function is giving us all the paths from root to leaf in the binary form, and converting and using this function in the base case binary, we are converting that path into its corresponding decimal form. Now after this functions are over, our sum variable which was passed by reference will contain our answer, so we will return sum. Now let's run the code. ToString aval, here it is root val. So it is giving correct option on our test case. Now let's submit the code. So yes, it is accepted. I hope you liked the video. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.